How to add a poll in Wix Studio. So in order to add a poll into your Wix Studio, head over first and then locate a particular part of your actual site that you want to add it. I'll add it into this part. From there, click onto this plus icon, and then from in there, you can see in here the elements. Click onto this search and search in here for poll. Now, it should be able to show you some poll search result suggestions. It will open right here the app market. We have in your easy polls and surveys. Click onto this add the site, and then from there, it should all be able to actually open right here your Wix in order to add this particular application into your actual site. So just make sure to install it to your site. And once it's been installed, you can head over and then use it and add it into your actual website. Now, we have in here the actual drop down of the poll. So you can head over and then resize it and then put it on any which part that you want to add it. I'll just drag it right here, and then you can also edit what's been added into your poll by clicking onto the settings option that we have right there. You can also add some choices as well as what's the poll question, and then you can actually customize it to your liking. Click onto this poll right here, and then you can input right here the title. So for example, let's put in here favorite pet. Now for the choices, click onto the choice one, and then it should also open right here this. So let's put in here the choice name. Let's put the choice name 1. Let's put in here a dog. For the 2, let's put cat. And for the third one, let's put rabbit. So you can also add another choice if you would want as well. Let me just input that. And then once that's done, click onto this done option right here or to this done option that you can see on the upper right corner. It should be able to reflect the changes that we have made based on this. So that's how you add a poll in Wix Studio. We help